Good evening, YouTubers. Welcome back to another episode of Shop Talk with Brett. It's a pretty nice evening tonight, and hope everybody's doing well. And hope the good Lord is working in good ways in everybody's lives. Tonight, we're going to do something a little bit different. We have an unboxing video, and just to let you know, I know that I had said it in the pressure washer video when I did the walk around and discussion on the Simpson pressure washer. Well, for whatever reason or another, the computer actually recognized my memory card, so I am able to actually get that unboxing video off of that memory card. I'm going to dump that to the computer, edit that down, and I'm going to post that unboxing video. And I know it'll kind of be out of time with the other videos because we already have the walk around and we have the demo up there, but we'll throw the unboxing up there anyway. We just have to just remember that it actually came first. But like I said, we'll figure it out. Anyway, tonight's going to be an unboxing video, and it's actually going to be kind of a mystery box. I know what it is, but I'm not going to share it. I'm going to unbox it and let you guys see for yourself what it's going to be. But anyway, we've got a box from Amazon there. And right about now, we're going to put some question marks on the screen when I actually go to edit this in perfect video. What's it going to be? What's it going to be? It's a mystery box. It's a mystery box. What could it be? Anyway, well, we're going to find out. Here's my box cutter. We're going to find out. Let's do some cutting. Well, let's cut right. There we go. And we'll do the same thing over here. Just like that. And we'll go right down the middle here. Shazam. Woo! Do a little bit more. Just like that. All right, so we're gonna collapse that box cutter, set that out of the way. The moment of truth, folks. Let's see what's in there. Drum roll, please. Whoop. And whoop. And whoop. And whoop. And let's get around it so we can see it right side up. We have for you tonight the Twinkle Star pressure washer surface cleaner, 15 inches. More efficient cleaning with 2 spinning nozzles instead of 1. Faster cleaning. Cleans an entire 15 inches wide in 1 pass. Clean hard surfaces like a pro. Nice. Let's see what we got here. Driveways, patios. A-TS-BXG-15. Now, this machine is under other names as well. Twinkle Star, Bezwing, No Torque, or whatever, however that's pronounced. Edal. There's several companies that make this. It's a Chinese thing. But we've got a gift. We're going to open it up here in just a second, and we'll take a look. Stay with us. All right, let's see what this bad boy has. We're going to open it up. And we're going to take a look here. Going to document this just in case there's any bad stuff. Let's roll it out here. Take these cylinders out of the way. Kind of hard to do this when you only have one hand. Push the box backwards. And there we have the surface cleaner itself. We've got a little bag here that has some extra O-rings, a couple extra nozzles, and some Teflon tape. And in the bottom of the box, we also have two 15-inch extension wands with quick connects. It looks pretty nice. And there's the little sheet that came with it that talks about the safety instructions, talks about what it includes, shows how to use it when you flip it over. Got a nice little bit of reading to do there. There it is. Operator's manual. Give me something to read here in a bit. And here's the surface cleaner itself. Oops. And there's the spinning thing right there. And that actually has an honest to goodness bearing in it. It's not a sleeve. And as you can see, that spins quiet. It's got a nice bristle brush around it. Nice little caster wheels. 3 of them. Look at that, would you? There's your quick connect right there. You rotate that around. There's how you would actually replace the O-ring. It takes a 5mm Allen head, and that deal comes out of there. Then you push that out, and you could change the O-rings. 15-inch surface cleaner, and it gives the how-tos. Danger. Well, yeah. But look at that. That is stainless steel. That's all metal. That's not plastic. And looks pretty nice. And, well, we're not going to be trying it out here tonight because, as you can see, Mother Nature is fixing to do some pressure washing of her own. But, yeah. Initial impressions, I think it looks pretty nice. And, but looks ain't everything. When we actually put it to use, then we'll see how it is, and I'll give a demo and final thoughts on it, but that'll be for another video. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. Even though it looked kind of amateurish, it was still kind of cool. Anyway, hope everybody has a good weekend. Be safe. Put your trust in the Lord. And we'll talk soon on the next episode of Shop Talk with Brett. This is Brett, the shop guy himself, saying peace out.